Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this mason jar sticky notepad holder. And basically you have two pieces. So I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason the video didn't record my voice, but we're going to work with what we have. So you have your top layer and you have your bottom layer. And what we're going to do is put glue on the back, like around the edges, and then we're going to just place more glue, which I'm using the super glue gel. This works best for me. Most of the time I use 3M tape and I put that on there before I cut it with my laser. But here I'm going to use the super glue and just add the glue around the edges as well as the sticky notepad part. So we're going to line it up. And after we put the glue on there, like I'm doing right now, give it some time to catch up. And we just place it, space it out as best as we can. Going all the way around, and then you see I'm hitting that notepad section. Add some dots on these little tabs on the side just so all of it will stick. And we're going to make sure you try not to get that super glue in your hand because you will be stuck together. So we're going to place it down, line it up as best as we can, making sure the bottom is lined up flush, the two sides and the top. And then you want to add some pressure to it. It doesn't take that long to dry, so once you press it down, it's on there. Right, so now I'm going to just add on my little add-ons like the straw. It's acrylic, and I'm going to put some dots of glue on the back of that as well. And like I said, normally I've used the 3M tape, but I'm showing you how you can use this super glue gel as well. So I placed it down and adding pressure to it. It's lined up pretty good. And I have a lemon slice. I am working on the back. I did put the 3M tape on the back of this one. And I engraved this piece of acrylic, and it's gold acrylic. So on the top, I did not take off the protective coating because it's easy to get scratched. So I'm going to leave that until after I place the glue on there and place it down. Well, I'm sorry, the glue is already on there, but it's down now, and I'm going to take the protective coating off, and it looks great to me. So we have our lemon slice and our straw attached to it, and now I'm going to just add the accent piece. I had to flip it around so I can line it up properly. And here I have the skinny strip of 3M tape that I'm going to place on the back of this one, which I sublimated on the back of this one with Craft and Besties sublimation paper. And as you can see, I don't have my scissors, so I'm kind of struggling a little bit to place my tape on or to rip my tape off or cut it. Normally I have everything right next to me, but work with what you have for the moment. So I'm going to just press it down. I'm going to peel off the brown part of the double-sided tape, which I got the tape from Amazon. And the super glue you can actually get from Joann's or Walmart. Okay, so now you want to place your little piece here in the middle, lining it up as best as you can, and then you press down so it's adhered to it. And that looks really good. So now all we need is our sticky notepad. For the sticky notepad, I normally tear the back off, and I add that skinny strip of 3M tape because the back of the sticky notepad isn't sticky enough for me. So I normally add this piece of tape on there just to add a little more how do I want to say it? Just add a little more something, strength to it. Yeah, that's the word. All right, so now we're going to peel the brown part off, and we're going to just put it in the slot where it belongs. And then we will have our finished product. And I really, really love how it came out. Looks very professional. It's nice to place on your desk to give to guests that's coming in town, or just to give to teachers, or you can personalize it any way you want to. Like it. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments.